Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. Today, we'll be looking at the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine Mini. We'll dive into their specifications, advantages, and disadvantages to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a combined washing capacity of 8 pounds for the washer and 5 pounds for the spinner, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini has a capacity of 11 liters, which is ideal for smaller items but may not handle larger loads as effectively. If you frequently wash larger items, the Super Deal may be the better choice. The Super Deal features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save you time. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine Mini is foldable and extremely compact, making it easy to store and transport. If portability is your priority, the Housecleese design may suit you better. In terms of power, the Super Deal operates at a motor speed of 1300 RPM, which can be quite noisy during operation. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini uses only 60 W of power and is known for its quiet operation. If noise is a concern for you, the Housecleese may be the preferable option. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine Mini have their unique advantages. The Super Deal is better for larger loads and simultaneous washing and spinning, while the Portable Washing Machine Mini excels in portability and quiet operation. Consider your specific needs before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.